Here's Jackson playing with a ball. Got him a little rattle ball. How exciting! And he wants to put everything in his mouth because I think he's teething. He has a little tooth poking out on the bottom. And he's only 14 weeks old. Only 14 weeks, Bubs. You like the ball? You like your ball? Mm-hmm. Grab it with both hands. There you go. You're gonna lose it if you don't grab onto it. You like the ball? You like the ball? Mm-hmm. Uh-oh. Say hi. Say hi to the camera. Jackson. 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 Look at him. Oh, bless you. Bless you. Bless you. God bless you. Bubbles. Oh yeah, I think you're teething. Look at all that drool. Look at all that drool. Yeah. Okay. Hey, sweetie. You smile? You've been crabby lately. I don't blame you. Getting teeth is hard work. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.